Hey, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can download your designs and images from your previous Canva account all at once in bulk and then easily upload them into your KW Canva Enterprise account. So first, you would go to canva.com and sign into your existing or previous Canva account, whatever kind you had, whether you had the free or pro option. Go ahead and sign into that account. And once you're there, click your initial in the bottom left-hand corner, choose Settings, and then from there, choose Login from the left-hand menu. Scroll down just a bit, and you should see the option right here to download your Canva uploads and designs. If this is your first time doing it, you'll see Request to Download right here above my mouse. Or if you've done this before, you will see Request New Download. Go ahead and choose that button. It'll give you a pop-up and ask you to confirm. And then it may take a couple of hours to actually a couple of days to get the download ready, depending on how much you have in your Canva account. Now, we had about 10 designs and a few images, and it took right at 2 hours for us to get the email. So you will get a confirmation email from Canva. It will look like this, and it will have a link in it to go over to Canva and access that download. So again, the subject line will say your Canva uploads and designs are ready for download. Click the link in the email, and it should bring you right back in to your canva.com account, and you'd follow the same steps we just did. You'd come to your initial in the bottom left, go to Settings, click Login on the left-hand side, and come right back to this section that says Download your Canva uploads and designs. Now you should see an option to download. When you click the download, it will give you this pop-up. Again, depending on how much you have, you may see more than one part. We only had a few, so we just have one part, but you'll want to click on each link that you see listed here to download each one. So we'll go ahead and click on this. What it's doing is it's downloading a compressed, aka zipped file onto our device. It may take a while depending on how much you had in there. To save time, we went ahead and downloaded it here so you can actually see the exported zipped file listed right here. So once you have it downloaded on your device, now you will need to extract the files from that file. You can do this by clicking on the file. It just updated because it finished that other download. You can see it there. But I'm going to go ahead and just click on the file, and you should see an extract all option on your window. Go ahead and choose that. It will give you another pop-up asking you where you want the extracted files to go. Now you can leave it the same and it will be right here in this same folder that you're already working in. And that's what we're going to do. So we'll go ahead and choose extract. This only takes a couple of seconds. And it actually opened us up into a new window. Let's close that. And so you can see right here, it's the same file name, okay? But it doesn't have the zipper across the file, which indicates to you that this is the extracted file right here, okay? This is the one that we will get into to upload into your new KW Canva Enterprise account. So let's go ahead and go over to the canva.kw account. Just a second here. Now, this looks like canva.com in the address bar, but this is canva.kw.com. If it's your first time coming here or you haven't logged in recently, you may be prompted to sign in with your command logins and enter an MFA code. So go ahead and go through those prompts. Once you're signed in, you should see the KW by Canva right here at the top, indicating that you are in that KW Canva Enterprise account. And now we want to get those files uploaded into this account. Go to Projects on the left-hand side. And on the far right, go to Add New and Upload Folder. It will open this, and now it happened to open right to our extracted file, and so we can click onto that. Open the export file within that, and you should see three files here. The one with an underscore, it's completely erroneous. You don't need it. You can actually delete that if you want. The documents file, this will be your designs from your previous account. And the images file will be the images like headshots, logos, things like that that you have uploaded into your former Canva account. So we're just going to go ahead and choose the documents file and choose upload. Choose upload again. It's uploading each item. You can see here at the top, and it's down here working. You can see the documents folder uploading. And we're going to go ahead and upload our images separately. So we're going to do add new, upload folder again. And this time we're going to choose the images file. We actually might not have any images in there. There it is. Yes, we do have images in there. It was looking for folders. So click images just to highlight it. Don't double click it like I did. And click upload. And go ahead and click upload. If you have that extra pop-up, that may be a browser security item for me. And you can see down here at the bottom that images will begin downloading here as well, just as soon as documents is done downloading. And that's how you can easily get those previous designs and images from your previous Canva account easily uploaded into your canva.kw.com account. If you have any questions about this at all, or anything else to do with your KW platforms, we'll be happy to help. Just reach out to us via email, and that email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.